Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Today we will prove that cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2 which is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. So once read this, cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. So now which formula it is? Is it possible to apply cos x plus y? No, right? Next cos x minus y. Can't. Sin x plus y and sin x minus y we can't use. Then which formula to use? In out of 46 formulas, just search of this type. Cos x, cos y. Do you have any formula? Yes, you have. There are 4 questions, that means formula. If it is 2 sin x cos y, so what it is? Sin x plus y, right? Plus sin x minus y, right? So now next 2 cos x sin y. 2 cos x sin y, it is what? Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y, right? Yes. Now next is cos 2 cos x into cos y which is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, right? So one more last formula is minus 2 sin x into sin y which is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Correct, no? These are other 4 formulas, right? Now, can you compare the given question with this one? Yes, you can compare. See, cos 2x into cos x by 2. So, it is cos x into cos y. Extra 2, that 2 we can take to that side. So, which formula we can use here? This formula, that is 2 cos x cos y, right? 2 cos x cos y, the formula is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So now we will apply this. Yes. So I will write formula using. So using which formula it is? Using 2 cos x cos y. Using 2 cos x cos y which is equal to what? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Correct, no? So, but here it is cos x into cos y. So, there is no 2. So, how to rearrange this one? So, bring this 2 to this side. So, it is what? 2 into. So, multiplication 2 changes as cos x into cos y is equal to cos x plus y cos x plus y plus cos x minus y whole divided by 2. So that I will write as 1 by 2. Both are same, right? Both are same. Correct, no? So for this cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, I divided by 2. It is 1 by 2. Clear this? Yes. So now we will apply. See here how many times we have to apply this formula? 2 times. So it is cos x cos y, which is here is one formula. Next cos x cos y, that means we have to apply this formula 2 times. Clear? Now which formula for this one? So now take LHS side. So LHS side is what? It is cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x divided by 2. This is your LHS side, right? So now apply that formula. So it is what? Cos x into cos y. So cos x into cos y, the formula is 1 by 2, correct no? So which is equal to 1 by 2 cos x plus y. X plus y. X is what? 2x plus y is what? X divided by 2 plus cos x minus y. X is 2x minus x by 2. So correct now? So this is for this one, that is cos 2x into cos x by 2. The formula is this one. Clear? Minus again cos 3x into cos 9x divided by 2. So again this is in the form of cos x into cos y. So that is equal to what? 1 by 2 cos x plus y. So 3x plus 9x divided by 2. 9x divided by 2 plus cos 3x minus 9x divided by 2. Close this bracket. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes. Now next, so 1 by 2 bracket cos 2x plus x by 2. Yes, how to simplify this? I show the calculation part here. So it is 2x plus x by 2. This is a calculation part. So 2x plus x by 2, how to simplify? 2x means it is 2x by 1. So 1 and 2, the LCM is 2. So 1 how much is 2? 1 2s are. 2 how much is 2? 2 1s are. Right? 2 into 2x is 4x plus 1 into x is x, which is equal to 5x divided by 2. Right? 5x divided by 2. So what is the value of 2x plus x by 2? It is 5x divided by 2. Clear this? Plus cos 2x minus x by 2. Simplification. 2x minus, next is this one. 2x minus x by 2. So again 2 means it is by 1. So 2 and 1, the LCM is 2. 1 how much here? 1 2s are. 2 how much here? 2 1s are. So 4x minus 1x is 3x divided by 2. Correct no? 2x minus x by 2 is 3x divided by 2. 3x divided by 2. So close this bracket. Clear? Close this bracket. Minus 1 by 2 into cos again 3x plus 9x divided by 2. 3x plus, next 3x plus 9x divided by 2. So 3x means what? 3x divided by 1. So 1 and 2, the LCM is 2. 1 how much? 1 2s are. 2 how much? 2 1s are. 2 into 3 is 6x plus 9x. So it is 15x divided by 2. It is 15x divided by 2. So 3x plus 9x by 2 is what? 15x divided by 2 plus cos, now 3x minus 9x divided by 2. So now 3x minus 9x divided by 2. 3x means 3x by 1. So 1 and 2, the LCM is 2. 1 how much? 1 2s are. 2 how much? 2 1s are. 2 into 3 is 6x minus 9x. So 6x minus 9x is minus 3x divided by 2. Correct, no? So minus 3x divided by 2. So 3x minus 9x divided by 2 is minus 3x divided by 2. So close this bracket. Is this clear? Simplification? Yes. Now next is, see. So otherwise I can multiply this. Otherwise, so carefully listen here. This is what half into this bracket, correct, no? Means this together as one term, right? Yes. Minus half into this bracket. So it is what? The second term. See, half into this bracket minus half into this bracket. So means what is common here? So I take the half is outside. Is it clear? Half is outside. So half from this bracket. So we get as what? Cos 5x divided by 2 plus cos 3x divided by 2. Cos 3x divided by 2. Now next, see, half I took outside, correct, no? So now there is no half. Now minus and bracket means it should multiply by minus. So minus into cos 15x by 2 is minus cos 15x divided by 2. Is it right? Yes. Now next, minus into plus is minus cos 3x, that is minus 3x divided by 2, and this single bracket, close it. Clear? So here it was two brackets, one and second one. So for this bracket and this bracket, what is common here? Half. So that half I took outside. So then this one plus this one. But here bracket and outside is minus, means you should multiply by minus to this term and this term. So this into cos minus, so plus into minus is minus. Now see, once we'll read this, cos 5x divided by 2 plus cos 3x divided by 2 minus cos 15x divided by 2 minus cos minus 3x divided by 2. So this last term is what? Cos minus 3x divided by 2, means it is in the form of cos minus x. So use formula for that. So which is equal to half, cos 5x divided by 2 plus cos 3x divided by 2, correct, no? Minus cos 15x divided by 2 minus cos of minus. So cos of minus is what? Plus cos x. So cos of minus 3x by 2 is cos 3x divided by 2. Is it correct? Yes. So now once see here, 5x divided by 2, 3x divided by 2 and cos, means it is cos 3x divided by 2. Here also cos 3x divided by 2. So means these two are like terms, but one is positive, one is negative, means this and this get cancelled. Clear? Yes. Now next is half cos, what is left here? 5x divided by 2 minus cos 15x divided by 2. 15x divided by 2. So what answer we need? We need a sine 5x and sine 5x divided by 2. Now is it possible to simplify this further? See, it is cos 5x divided by 2, see the form, minus cos 15x divided by 2. Means this is in the form of here. For this you can apply one formula. What is that formula? The formula is, what is that formula? The formula is cos x minus cos y. Clear this? So here you can use formula cos x minus cos y. So now I will write here using the formula cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y. So the formula is what? Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. Right now sin x minus y by 2. So this is the formula you have to use. Understood now? How to apply this formula? See, here in the beginning we use cos x cos y formula 2 times. Next here I am now applying cos x minus cos y. By looking only you can understand the format. Yes. Now which is equal to half. Which is equal to half. Yes. Now x cos x minus cos y. So which is equal to what? It is 2 sin. So otherwise I will write here. Okay. After this, the formula is cos x minus cos y. I will do here. Here I am continuing. Okay. Yes. So which is equal to? Which is equal to half. Now cos x minus cos y. X is 5x divided by 2. Y is 15x divided by 2. So which is equal to minus 2 sin minus 2 sin x plus y. What is our x? 5x divided by 2 plus y is 15x divided by 2 whole divided by 2. So it is 2 sin. It is minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 into sin x minus y. X is 5x divided by 2 minus 15x divided by 2 whole divided by 2 and close this bracket. Is this clear? Substitution. The formula is here half as it is cos x minus cos y. So which is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2. Clear? Yes. So which is equal to half, yes, minus 2 sin, yes, the numerator is what? 5x divided by 2 plus 15x divided by 2. So 2 is LCM. So it is 5x plus 15x whole divided by 2. No confusion, I guess. Correct, no? Yes. Sin 5x divided by 2 minus 15x divided by 2. LCM is 2. So 5x minus 15x divided by 2. So close this outer bracket. Clear this simplification? Yes. So which is equal to half So minus 2 sine 5x plus 15x. So now 5x plus 15x is 20x divided by 2 whole divided by 2. Correct, no? 5x plus 15x divided by 2, 20 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 into sine 5x minus 15x is minus 10x divided by 2 whole divided by 2 and close this bracket. So now it is equal to half into minus 2 sine. Next, is it possible to cancel? Before that, 2 ones are 2 tens are. So it is 10x divided by 2. 2 ones are cancelled. 2 tens are. So 10x divided by 2. Right? Sine 2 ones are 2 how much here? 2 fives are. So means 5x divided by 2, close this bracket. Clear, no? Yes. Now next, which is equal to half into minus 2 sine again. 2 ones are 2 how much here? 5. So means it is 5x. Sine 5x into sine. Is it possible to cancel? 2 ones are 2. Is it possible? No. So it is minus 5x divided by 2. Close this bracket. Clear? So which is equal to 1 by 2 minus. Once we'll read this. 1 by 2 into minus 2 into sine 5x into sine of minus 5x divided by 2. Sine of minus, which formula to use? Sine minus x, correct, no? So sine of minus x is using the formula sine of minus x is what? Minus sine x. So now this changes as 2 sine 5x into sine, correct, no? So into means it is bracket, sine of minus is minus sine 5x divided by 2, close this bracket. Clear? Clear, no? See, minus 2 into sine 5x into, and this answer is minus. So that's why I am putting bracket here. Okay? Yes. So which is equal to half into, once we will read, minus 2 into sine 5x into minus sine 5x by 2 means multiplication. So here minus into minus is plus 2 sine 5x into sine 5x by 2. Is it possible to cancel this 2 with this one? No. This is 5x divided by 2 is one term. So we can't cancel this 2 and this 2. We can't separate this 2 with this one. Clear? Now 1 by 2 into 2 into this into means this 2 and this 2 cancels, which is equal to what? Sine 5x into sine 5x divided by 2. Is this equal to RHS side? Yes. See, answer is sine 5x divided by 2. So which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. Important question for 5 marks. Hence it is proved. Clear, no? Yes. Now next question. Next question is prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 into tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. So now I will take LHS side. So your LHS side is tan 4x. Do you have any formula for tan 4x? No. We have formula for tan 2x and tan 3x, but we don't have formula for 4x. Now I will split this tan 4x as tan 2x plus 2x. Is this correct? 4x is 2x plus 2x. So 2x plus 2x is how much? It is 4x. Clear? Now see, read this. Tan 2x plus 2x means which formula it is? Tan x plus y. So you should write using the formula. Otherwise I will write using the formula is tan x plus y. So tan x plus y is what? It is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Clear this one. So now tan 4x is equal to, so it is equal to what? I wrote as tan 2x plus 2x. Now what is the value of x? X is 2x. What is the value of y? Y is 2x. Yes, which is equal to, so tan x plus y, which is equal to what? Tan x 2x plus tan y is 2x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Y is what? 2x. Clear this? Clear, no? Yes. So now next is equal to, once we'll read this, tan 2x plus tan 2x. Tan x plus tan x, what is equal to? 2 tan x. So now tan 2x plus tan 2x is what? 2 tan 2x, correct, no? Divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x. Tan x into tan x is tan square x or tan x whole square. So tan 2x into tan 2x is tan 2x whole square. Both are same, no? A into A is what? A square. So 3a into 3a is what? How we are writing? It is 3a whole square. Correct, no? Similarly, tan x into tan x is what? It is tan x whole square. This is tan x whole square. Similarly, tan 2x into tan 2x is tan 2x whole square. Clear this? Yes. Now next, see, if you see that step, you can identify the formula. So what is your numerator? Numerator is 2 into tan 2x. Correct, no? So now formula for tan 2x, you know the formula, right? So LHS side is what? Tan 4x, that I will write, okay? Tan 4x is equal to, now 2 into tan 2x. So what is the formula of tan 2x? Use that. So 2 into, is correct, no? Yes, it is 2 into tan 2x is what? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Clear, no? This is 2 into tan 2x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, now see the denominator, 1 minus tan 2x whole square. Again write formula of tan 2x. Tan 2x is what? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Tan square x whole square. So which is equal to tan 4x. Is this clear? It is equal to tan 4x. Is this clear? Clear, no? So tan 2x plus tan 2x is 2 tan x. Tan 2x into tan 2x is tan 2x whole square. So tan 2x is the formula 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, and it is 2. 1 minus tan 2x whole square is what? 1 minus tan 2x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Clear this? Yes. Now simplification, which is equal to numerator. 2 into 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So 2 into 2 is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus here 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. You know the formula. A divided by b whole square also can be written as a square divided by b square. Is this correct? Yes, same thing here. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square can be written as 2 tan x whole square divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square, which is equal to what? Tan 4x. Is this clear? Simplification? Yes. Now first we will simplify the denominator. Numerator as it is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by. Now see here, it is 1 minus 2 tan x whole square divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now 1 means what it is? 1 divided by 1. How to simplify this minus? By taking LCM. What is our LCM? 1 and 1 minus tan square x whole square. The LCM is what? 1 minus tan square x whole square. Correct, no? The numerator part. So 1, how much is this one? So it is 1 minus tan square x whole square, or else cross multiply 1 into this one. LCM part you know, right? 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 2 tan x whole square. 2 tan x whole square, which is equal to tan 4x. Which is equal to tan 4x. Clear this simplification? Yes, now tan 4x is equal to the numerator is what? 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, and see here denominator is 1 minus tan square x whole square, means it is in the form of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square. B square is what? Tan square whole square minus 2 into a into b is what? Tan square x. Next minus 2 tan x whole square. 2 tan x whole square is what? 2 tan x whole square. If it is a into b whole square is what? A square into b square. Similarly, 2 tan x whole square is 2 square into tan square x. 2 square is 4 tan square x. Correct, no? 4 tan square x. So now I am replacing 2 tan x whole square is 4 tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Clear this? Clear? Now next. After this, I am continuing here the numerator part. See here, this is your numerator part, right? Numerator. This part is what? Denominator. So I will bring now denominator to the numerator part. So that is equal to what? 4 into tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, correct, no? Into the denominator to the numerator. It is 1 minus tan square x whole square divided by this one. 1 square is 1 plus tan square x whole square means here tan square x whole square. So this is equal to what? Tan square x into tan square x. So which is equal to what? Tan power 4x. Correct, no? This is calculation part. Clear? It is tan power 4. Tan power 4x. Next, minus 2 into 1 into tan square x is minus 2 tan square x. Minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So now once we'll read 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole square divided by 1 minus tan square x. See, in denominator 1 minus tan square x, in numerator also 1 minus tan square x. Can you cancel this one? Yes, but here it is whole square means 1 will get cancelled. So means it is tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x. Here 1 tan x get cancelled. 1 minus tan square x 1 time, with this 1 time get cancelled. What is left here? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan power 4 tan square. So collect like terms. This is 1 plus tan power 4x as it is tan power 4x. See, minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So means these two are like terms. we can add or subtract. So here minus 2 minus 4, which is minus 6 tan square x. Is this equal to RHS side? Yes, which is equal to RHS side. See the answer. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus 1 plus tan power 4x minus 6 tan square x. So therefore I can write LHS side is equal to RHS side. LHS side is equal to RHS side. Hence it is proved. Hence this is proved. So important question. Hence it is proved. Clear no? Practice it 2-3 times. Then you feel easy this one. Yes sir. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.